This is a tutorial on how to tie a berry knot. To start, I'm going to leave a 1 centimeter gap and then tie a square knot. If you would like to know how to tie a square knot, please watch the tutorial in the description box below. Now tie 2 more square knots below. Now that I have 3 square knots, I'm going to take the 2 inner cords and put them through this gap in the middle. I've now formed the berry. Taking these outer cords, I'm going to tie a square knot underneath to secure it in. And there you have your berry knot. To tie an alternating square knot as shown here, do another berry knot and then take the 4 innermost cords and tie another berry knot. Now these 2 cords are going to go through this gap.